First, you want to take your gold picture frame and remove the backing of it. Cut out the artificial flowers and place them onto the picture frame. Later, I realized that the picture frame only had one layer of glass. I tried using Mod Podge to glue my flowers onto the picture frame, but that didn't work, and then I also tried tape and that didn't work either. First, you want to cut out your moon phases template. Trace it onto cardboard. After, you want to cut out all of the shapes. I painted a layer of gold paint onto each moon phase shape. This is totally optional. Piece of twine and tape your moon phase shapes onto the twine. And that's it. This DIY is really simple. And pour them into the glass candle holder. Then simply place your artificial succulent into the glass candle holder. Into the geometric terrarium. Place the artificial succulent into the geometric terrarium.